Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Clueless Realtor, where we help realtors succeed. In today's video, we will be discussing the pros and cons of an FHA first-time home buyer's loan. If you are a real estate agent that has a client in the early stages of the home buying experience, then the FHA first-time home buyer loan program makes the process a lot easier and a lot smoother. They are insured home loans tailored to first-time home buyers offered by the federal government. The home buying experience becomes less restrictive and less costly with the attractive benefits that are offered by these types of loans. But, like everything else in this world, this type of loan is not meant for everyone. If this is your first time visiting our YouTube channel, then do me a favor and consider subscribing to the channel. Now let's talk about this a little bit. What is an FHA first-time home buyer loan? Well, a first-time home buyer is a person who has not owned a home for 3 years as defined by the FHA or Federal Housing Authority. Included in this definition are displaced individuals who owned a house previously with a spouse or as single parents. The FHA first-time homebuyer loans offer limited fees, lower interest rates, a low down payment, and the opportunity of having deferred payments. For a loan with a down payment of 3.5%, the FHA insures lenders against the potential of default by requiring a credit score of 580 or above. Now, even though you can acquire a loan with a credit score of 580, most lenders require a credit score between 620 and 640 or above. You will also need to meet the lender's debt-to-income ratio, which is usually between 40 and 43% of the monthly gross income of the buyer. This goes towards their minimum payments on all of the buyer's revolving and the installment of debt. All of this is in addition to the credit score of the buyer. Now, some pros of this type of loan is if your client is a first-time home buyer, the comparatively lower restrictions on these types of loans makes them ideal for first-time home buyers. Your client might want to consider this loan if, 1, their credit score does not qualify them enough for other types of loans, 2, the down payment is not large enough, or 3, their ability to meet fees and high interest rates is very limited. The low interest rates for first-time homebuyer loans are usually too good to pass up, even if they have a significantly large down payment. Let's talk about some of the cons. Having mortgage requirements higher than conventional loans are one of the downfalls of FHA first-time homebuyer loans. Unless your client makes a large down payment, the mortgage insurance payments must be made for the entire life of the loan. However, regardless of their credit score, FHA mortgage rates are comparable to conventional loans. This is so your client won't be stuck paying a higher than average mortgage rate. On January 1st, 2020, the Federal Housing and Urban Development Department reduced the national ceiling limit to $625 and $500 for most affluent areas. If your client is looking to buy a home in an affluent area, they might not be able to. They should check with their lender to verify if the loan limits on this type of median income is in the affluent areas. A requirement that the home be their primary place of residence is also another drawback of the FHA loan. Your client probably will not qualify for the loan if they have plans to purchase a property with the intentions of renting it out. Some other potential drawbacks include 1, they could lose some of the loan benefits if they plan to sell their home shortly after the process. 2, with a first-time home buyer loan, it might not be possible to change the terms of their debt or collateral, or if they plan to refinance at a later date, Or 3, your client might be required to have private mortgage insurance provided by the loan program, while other loans don't require you to purchase private mortgage insurance. Longer payment terms and higher fees come along with this type of mortgage insurance policy versus a private option. A first-time homebuyer loan could still be the most attractive option for your client despite the drawbacks that come with it. Slow down, analyze your client's financial situation, talk with them, and then consider what their options are and what's most conducive for you and your client. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a comment below if you enjoyed this video. Take care, and I will see you later.